This video is going to cover Objective 1.2 practice tasks. The first step asks you to change the page color to tan background 2. So if you go to the Design tab and you go over to Page Color, you're going to look for More Colors, and you can access it in there, or you can go to Tan Background 2, and there's not a percentage. All of these down here have percentages, whereas the very top one is not going to have a percentage. So you're going to click on Tan Background 2, and then it says to configure a 1-point box page border that uses a line style of your choice. So we're going to go to Page Borders, and we're just going to leave the default line style, and we are going to choose a 1-point box. So click on Box, and then the width is going to be 1 point, and it's going to apply once you hit OK. Then the next step asks you to add a diagonal watermark that displays the text "example only" to the page background. Format the text of the watermark as semi-transparent 54-point lavender accent 3 text. So we're going to add a watermark. Let's go to Watermark in the top right, and we are going to click on a custom watermark, and instead of a picture, we're not going to choose picture, we're going to go text watermark. The text is going to be example only, and it's not written in all caps, so we're going to type it in just as it is in the book, and we're going to format the text of the watermark as it said semi-transparent, so it already has that box checked, and we are looking for a 54-point watermark. So the size we're going to take down to 54, and lavender accent 3. So the color we're looking for is going to begin in that top row since it doesn't have a percentage. So mine's about 7 over on the top, lavender accent 3. And then the next step says to apply the watermark and verify it appears on all pages. So we're just going to hit OK, and then you can see that the watermark is there in the background of each page. And then the next step says to add, on page 2, add a sideline header. Configure the header so that it does not appear on the first page of the document. So we're on page 2, and we're going to hit Insert, and then we're going to go to Header, and we are going to go down to Built-in. We're looking for a sideline header. So there is your sideline header. It's a default template one that's already built in there. And it just says to configure the header so it doesn't appear on the first page. So we're going to check the box here to take it off the first page, and then we are going to, on page 2, insert the circle right page number in the right margin. So we're going to close out of the header here, and we're going to hit Insert, and we are looking for, I'm going to scroll down to the second page. We are looking for a page number. So we're going to click on page number here, and this is going to have you do a go to page number, and we are looking for page margins. In the page margins category, if you scroll down to the bottom, you are going to see circle right. So we're going to click on circle right, and it's showing on the first page and the second page, and this says to have it only on page 2. So we are going to do different first page, and then that will then remove it from the first page. The next step asks you to display the document title, then apply the casual style set to the document and note the resulting changes. So displaying the document title, we're going to go back up to page 1 and select the title of the document, and we're looking for casual set style. So here's some styles in here, and it should be, oops. And since it's not in there, let's go ahead and look in the Design tab, and in the document formatting section there is a casual in here. So that is going to be the casual style set that we are looking for this assignment. So that completes Objective 1.2 practice tasks. Do not forget to compare your file to the results file, and that's it.